My name is Joewils, a product of Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. I'm a shoemaker. I started this job during 2007 on campus with only 100 cedis. After my national service, I decided to go into it full time. Bought some machines and started working because there wasn't a lot of products or African products that had this African touch and then African design. So I decided to employ the techniques of using the African prints to make this kind of slippers. But normally the ones that we had on the market were not very durable. So I had to solve the problem of introducing leather, using the leather to do the lining. I decided to change the kind of work that we do here in Africa. But I decided to try other products that's using African prints and then jutes. And then this is a jute slippers, but it's jute tie and dye. And then macrame. This is a macrame technique to make this beautiful gladiator sandals. Beside that, I also do bags, but then I make sure the bags are not just African print bags. They are lined, so when it's dirty, you can wash it. Because normally we have notions that things that are made in Ghana or made in Africa are not durable. But then durability is key here when we are producing. So you can use it. And then people who buy from my shop normally can testify to that. Sometimes people will tell me, oh, I bought this thing from a shop and then when it rained, it came off. So we make sure whatever we do here is very durable, so that the customer will be happy and can use the products for like 2 or 3 years before it gets spoiled. Beside that, I also have kit slippers. These are made from African prints. That's like the kente and then leather. I use the leather to pipe it so that it becomes very durable and you can wash it. Sometimes I speak to my friends who are fashion designers and I take their pieces and then out of the pieces I try and make something nice from it so that it will help also to save the environment. This is from normal leather and then this is from wooden cloth. So we always try our best to utilize what is around us so that our local industries can also grow here. I've also trained people, especially skilled people who are into beading, who are into dressmaking, bag making, because people come and then some of them, most of them sometimes are professionals already, but they want to adapt to whatever they do. So they come, let's take it like beading, they come and oh, help me, I want to know how to, when I'm finished with the beading, I can make the soles and stuff. So those who are into beading, I help them so that they can learn how to use the beading to make like slippers and then sandals. Others also come to me. Those who are into fashion designing, they come and they want to learn how to make bags and stuff. So in terms of that, I've been able to help a lot of people, train people who are now practicing it. Beside that, as an industry, I've grown to the extent that with the capacity to produce about 500 pieces of slippers a month if I'm given the contract. Besides that, this is the job I've been doing since I graduated from school, and I'm married with 2 kids, so this is what's taking care of the family. I have customers who have been with me for the past 10 years, and I have regular customers who come from like Germany and the UK. I have regular customers who come like yearly or every 2 years. They come and buy products from me because of my quality of products. And then some of them also come to me, maybe they see something online, they like it, and then they just take a snap and then they send it to me to produce for them. With the bags, normally what we used to have in town is bags that are made and glued, just glued to other stuff. But this one is not just glued, it's made from the scratch. I make sure I cut them. So this one, for instance, when it's dirty, you can really like wash it and then dry it and reuse it. So I make sure whatever I give you or whatever comes out from my shop is very quality. Customers, I don't really have problem with customers because normally when they are buying from me, they know what I pride myself is in quality, because normally when it's quantity and it's not quality, the market will not come. But when it's quality, normally I get like in 6 or 1 year or 2 years, and they need something for their engagements, their weddings, or their special programs, they just give me a call. Joe, just design something nice for me, and then I do that for them. With the macrame slippers, because of its uniqueness, and it's because it's all hand woven, it's very durable, and a lot of work goes into it. And you only get it from my shop. A lot of people buy from my shop, and then they enjoy it because it can really last for 5-6 years. And then when it's dirty, you just rinse it. With my leather product, I try and make sure that whatever we are producing from here is also very neat, because we have a notion that sometimes what is made in Africa, or it's not very durable or to the top. But trust me, these days artisans in Africa are doing very well. So you see from the stitches and the finishing, I make sure the finishing and everything is very neat. Sometimes when I want to sell to someone outside the country, I think it would be better if we have a platform that we can just buy something from there, and then it can just go to other countries without you going through the stress of paying huge duties to put something to someone outside our borders. Our vision as a company is to produce over 5,000 products of slippers and then bags to send across African countries. And then our vision is also to train other young guys in the neighborhood so that we will limit unemployment. With the help of bigger industrial machines, we can produce more to reach the African continent. Our vision also is to have a platform or a site or a delivery service that when customers or shops outside Africa buy from us and then they want it to be delivered to them, it will be easier for us, because I have customers in Uganda and Ivory Coast who sometimes they buy from me, but upon using the product, they want to buy and sell in their countries. But when you talk to them about the cost of maybe sending 1,000 pairs of slippers to Uganda or Ivory Coast, the cost involved in terms of duty to send my products to them becomes a problem. So I wish with the help of other institutions and after, we can create a platform for entrepreneurs and businessmen in Ghana so that we can also produce and freely trade across the African country. With the introduction of AFTA in Africa, I think it's going to help us as businessmen and young entrepreneurs to expand and also to push our products further, because it's going to take all the limitation in our business, because someone can freely easily buy something, and then with the help of AFTA,